Hello fam, I am Gracious and you are welcome to my world. Yay! Hi guys, it's Gracious World. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be making banga soup. Let me put this out there. I don't know anything about banga. I learned how to make this soup online, and this is my own way of preparing it for my family and I to enjoy. Stay tuned and let's bake this yumminess, this deliciousness together.
So these are the ingredients we'll be using for this pot of deliciousness. As you can see, we have our fresh pepper, our pomo, our periwinkle, banga spice, seasoning cubes, onions, fresh onions that's already been blended, our star of the show, our banga, that's the palm nut extract, our catfish, and I think our beletete leaves is somewhere there also. So we started cooking, pouring the palm nut extract in the pot. It's the first thing that goes into the pot, and you don't need to add too much water to it so that your soup will not take longer to be ready. So yes, going in with the fresh onion. I just like to put everything and let the soup cook. Because I feel like the earlier the ingredients goes in, the more flavorful it will make the soup. I was trying to break this stick. I don't know why this stick refused to break, but it was too long and I wanted to cut it into two, but I couldn't, so I decided to put it like that. I just threw it into the pot like that, because either ways it will still serve its purpose. Now this is the banga spice going in. I just like to, especially when it has to do with this particular soup, I like to dump everything inside so that I believe that the more it cooks, the more flavorful and sweet it is. That is why when you cook soup, the next morning it tastes better and sweeter than when you make it freshly. That is what I believe, though. Don't know if it applies to other people and how they do their stuff. But yes, bringing everything to a boil and then adding my crayfish. Crayfish is very important in your soups, very, very important. I'm very generous with my crayfish, very, very generous. When I'm cooking soups, I am not stingy with my crayfish at all. Going in with my catfish, it's going in early because it has to cook. It has to cook and be be well properly cooked. So it's going in. Now I'm going in with my cow skin or more, and then stir a little bit and pretty much allow the soup to cook. I think the soup is ready. Oh my god, you need to hear what it sounds like at this point. Sound of joy. I'm such a foodie. Now I'm going in with the beletete leaves, and lastly our periwinkles. I think with an extra sprinkle of crayfish too at the end. That remaining crayfish will have to go in. Yes, now it's going in now. And with this, our soup is 98% ready. Try to stir carefully, and I'm just trying not to scatter the fish here because it's already cooked. Just trying not to scatter it. Yeah, please, if you have come this far in my video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share my link, repost my link for your friends and family to follow. Thank you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yeah, so our soup is fully ready. Time to eat. Time to eat. And oh my god, this soup was so yummy. I'm not saying this because I'm the one that prepared it. It was delicious. My family and I enjoyed every single bite of this swallow. Every single hand that went into her mouth was filled with so much flavor. Oh, thank you for watching. Bye. See you on the next video.